Hello, I'm Mark Schneider, you're watching Schneider Classics, and I set out what I was supposed to do today. I was supposed to fix this thing up. It was bent all the heck, and all I need to do is give it a couple touch-ups. Look, that popper off. Look. Little touch-up. Little touch-up. See, a couple little touch-ups. It was bent all the hell, now it's straight and ready to go. I gotta wait for it to dry now. But we got the welder out. Yeah, I got a extension cord coming through the window. Don't mind that. Previous owner put the hole, I'm putting it to use. You know, sometimes they're abused, but you just gotta wring her through anyways. But we got a secret behind here. Look at the pretty flower. I did what I was supposed to do today. I was supposed to fix that thing. I fixed it and it's done. It's ready to go. But I'm like, no, what? I'm feeling like pretty energetic. Let's get more work done. First thing you should always do while backing up a car that is a manual on ramps, put it in gear so you don't roll forward and slam on your face when you go and park it. Because I almost forgot. I'm like, it's in neutral. I could end badly if I don't put it in gear. You might be asking, what's the goal here tonight? Well, I told you, I finished welding that bracket. But the goal is here tonight is to maybe potentially get the back bumper off because, well, you can see there, that needs metal work. And ooh, why is that bubbly? Well, normally I would say that's a rust bubble. That's not a rust bubble, that's a Bondo bubble. There's some rust bubbling right there, but that's a Bondo bubble. And you see these scratch marks, these light scratch marks, even though, holy heck, that's a tight fitment right there. This is filled with Bondo, and then someone just put a torch over this and stuff. So I'm wanting to just take off this rear bumper, get it out of the way, and start addressing this rust. So there's rust here, and there's rust here. Do I care about those rust spots? No. Those ones should be all right. They're not the easiest to deal with, but they're all right. The worst rust of it all, and why I have her up here, I didn't even notice that before. It's because they have to get that patched. But I'm not here to address that rust hole. I didn't even see that before. Oh, rusty, rusty. I need to address the rust hole up there. Oh, can I even get there? Or is this still too low? Oh, right there. Yeah, I should be able to adjust that, this angle. Look at all that. So if I So we had the bumper removed and the side skirts. This, someone had a previous just spot weld crappily plate in here covering up this rust. That's not gonna be fun. I'm gonna have to go slow with it, cut it out, do a proper patch. Like, this metal's still good, it's just look how bent and warped it all is. And it's absolutely filled with Bondo, so that's a pain. I almost have the back interior ready to go. I just have to take out these seats, the center console, and the rest of the floor. But you can see there's the floor repair. It's actually not that bad. There's still a lot of solid metal there, and Same with this side. But the finish stripping out this car, I gotta take the seats out and take the center console and the floor out. But I'm done for the day. Sun's going down. I'm gonna put away work. I got a lot more done today than I was actually originally planning, so that's always good. Hit that subscribe button if you guys want to follow along with this. Wow, the sunset. I'm just getting the sunset for light. Follow along, hit that subscribe if you want to see more of this project. See if I made a mistake taking on this job or not. I think I underestimated him because I didn't know how bad this was. That's gonna be a bitch to repair, which is sad, but that's just because the metal's so bent and warped. The only way to properly fix this would be get a new quarter panel, just because like it's like someone freaking took a hammer to it. I didn't do this. It looks like someone literally took a hammer at it, but it's coming along slowly. So this is my project. Do you think I'm a moron for accepting this job, or do you think whatever? Because no body shops won't touch that. Unless they can order a full pan and do the full pan and everything like that, and they'll charge you like $5-7 grand just to do that. Now me, a grand, just over a grand, because I need the money and nobody else will touch it. So if you think I'm dumb, please let me know. If you want to follow along and see how this goes, please do. Am I hoping I don't get screwed out of this deal? I'm hoping I don't, because one, this is my reputation, and two, I want people to enjoy their cars.